So I kind of wanted to show everybody what I have going on as far as garden goes. I got tomato there, tomatoes there, tomatoes there. I got garlic going on right there. Leaf of lettuce going on right here. Cabbage, oregano, pak choi. These are my pickling cucumbers. They were out of the other. And then this is a Thai hot pepper. And that's just my little flower. Over here, my husband built me a little herb garden. And it's just a little pole on the back with a sling pole on the front. And then these are file folder holders. File folder holders. But anyway, as you can see, I don't have the bottom one filled yet. But up here we have basil. Doing really good. And Sassy Cat's tail. Hi, Sassy Cat. Say hi to everybody. And then we have dill. I'm so excited. So the next one down, you probably can't see very well, but it is chives. And I've got, yeah, there's some. See? Some chives coming up. Yeah. And the next one down, we have some rosemary coming up. And then the next one, we have thyme, but I just planted it, so it's not up yet. And I have my lilies right here, and some violas. Now, if you come down here, we have another tomato. And this is an accident tomato. He is in the jalapeno bin, which they're growing back there. You just can't see them very well. Okay. So over here we got bell peppers. And then over here we got carrots. And I know everybody's going to say I should have put any of those in the ground, but I put them in a very tall pot, and I'm going to leave them right there. See what happens. And then down here, I've got cantaloupe. Then over here, we got some spinach happening. So, we've got quite a few things going on. Now, over here, we got an itty bitty baby garden. Just for me, because I don't know if I can handle a big one. So we haven't got anything in there yet, but we're getting ready to. I have potatoes, which aren't up yet. But I've got them to where I can heal them. And yeah, my hose in there, a bunch of stuff. And over here are dianthus that are just bushing everywhere.